So I made a video in April this year that I'm super proud of, and I want to walk you through the things I did to bring it to life. This video created opportunities for me that I had no idea existed. What helps you relax during a camping trip? Is it being able to all ride comfortably together? Is it the time you share near the campfire? Or is it the ease of mind knowing the vehicle you take can handle any terrain you run into? My friends and I hopped into our 2020 Subaru Forester Sport, eager to be in our weekend. We stayed at the Palisades in a cabin that sleeps 4, which was perfect for the 3 of us. We did some bonding over drinks and roasted hot dogs over the fire. Sharing memories like these are important. What's also important is knowing the vehicle that got us there could handle anything thrown at it. The symmetrical all-wheel drive and almost 9 inches of ground clearance put our minds at ease. We know that while traveling through the Midwest, it's crucial to have a vehicle that can handle the environment. The extra touches of orange and the spacious, high-quality interior made us feel like we weren't driving just another SUV. This is a Subaru Forester Sport, so enjoy the campfires, the sunsets, your time with friends, and the adventure. Let Subaru handle the rest. When I was piecing together this video, I went through a checklist of things to make sure I was prepared to create it. I started by jotting down notes. I brain splattered in any way I could. I had some ideas on my drive to work, some ideas in the shower, or while I was busy doing something else. The key to this is finding a way to remember them. I used a note document in the Google Drive. This is easy for me to do because I carry around the phone, the Google Pixel, and I actually have the drive on my phone so I can access it literally anywhere. After the notes, I created a vision. I thought of the end result of my video. I wanted it to be a video showing off how cool the Forester Sport was and how much I enjoyed driving a Subaru. I wanted it to be like a Subaru commercial, but with a more personal feel to it. That's why I knew a camping trip would be the best way I could show that. I then organized the notes into 3 acts. I included a beginning. What helps you relax during a camping trip? A middle. What's also important is knowing the vehicle that got us there could handle anything thrown at it. And an end. Let Subaru handle the rest. From that, I could begin writing a story. I turned the acts into a script. This is the stage where you just need to write. Put pen to paper, finger to keyboard, talk to text, whatever you prefer. I used the documents in Google Drive to craft this as my script. This will help later with the shot list. Then I ran my script through Grammarly. I downloaded Grammarly on my phone, and I always run my scripts through it to make sure there are no spelling or pronunciation errors within my text. This is especially helpful if I decide to use part of it for a caption on Instagram. I always try and listen to music while planning out my shot list. I do this to begin feeling the vibe. It sometimes helps me when I begin listening to music first because it sparks ideas that turn into a video idea. I just recently discovered that I can stream Epidemic Sound through Spotify, which makes it extremely easy to find a song and save it to a playlist that I can refer to later. I then group my shot list into like shots. I take the shots that I know I can get at the same time and I batch them together. This makes things much more efficient and creates more continuity between shots. I planned out a thumbnail. I had one idea for an Instagram thumbnail and one idea for a YouTube thumbnail. Instagram, I wanted to have a more well put together professional shot, and for YouTube at the time, I wanted a goofy shot. A final thing that helped me put the video together was putting together a list of things to bring on the shoot. This could include anything from extra charged batteries, a gimbal, lens, straps for the camera, really anything that I thought I would forget on the trip, I put into another Google Drive document. And what's cool about this is you can actually keep this list for any future shoot you have and just continue adding to it so you don't forget anything, even on future shoots. Making this video opened my eyes to the content that I enjoy making. There were a few times during this camping trip that I thought to myself that I couldn't do it. But when you push yourself through that and you just hit the record button, you can put together something spectacular and something that you can look back on for days to come, months to come, years to come. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out at all, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone else. Thank you so much for watching.
There was gunshots.
There was gunshots.
Pretty sure the National Guard got involved. It's gonna be a good day.
Oh, that's good shit. That is good shit. I'm glad that happened.
You quit your job right now. You have $50,000 in the bank. What do you do?
I take 3 of those dollars and hit McDonald's. Buy myself a nice full meal of McDonald's breakfast and a coffee. And brainstorm the other ways to spend the $49,997.